So where I was, yes, I was talking about summarizing that I have no knowledge of accounts, but I'm running my business. I have kept an accountant in the business. I have hired an accountant, and I asked the accountant that what is my profit of the year during the year. So the accountant has given in my hand purchases book, sales book, and accounts of all the customers. So I will say him that listen, Mr. Accountant, I'm not able to understand anything out of it. Please tell me in a simpler language. So what he will do is he will make the profit and loss account of the year, and he will show me only the profit and loss account and the balance sheet. In the profit and loss account, I will find out that these are my expenses throughout the year, and this is my income throughout the year. So I have earned this much of profit, and from the balance sheet I will get to know that these are my assets and these are my liabilities means the amount which I have to pay to the outsiders. So he has shown me the summary, he has shown me the final accounts through which I am able to know that what is happening in my business. Clear? So we cannot just keep on making the accounts, we need to make a summary that this is the final result, like in type of questions in which they ask you that give points in favor of this and against this. What do you think? So what you do in the answer is you give points in favor of that particular concept, and then you give points which are not in favor of that concept. For and against you give, and then in the end you write the conclusion that according to me, social responsibility must be followed by business. This is the conclusion which I am giving, pros and cons. So, in the same way, when we are making accounts, we are recording the data, then we are classifying the data, and then we are summarizing the data so that it is easily understandable. In the same way, what I do in the sixth procedure, then this is the sixth feature, analysis and interpretation. What do we mean by analysis and interpretation? Like when we get our marks. This year I have secured 90%. Last year I secured 85%. And the last year I secured 80%. So we make an analysis that I am progressing, I am improving every year. This we keep on doing. So in business also we compare these things. What we do is that this year, last to last year, I was on no profit, no loss basis. My expenses and income were equal. Then last year I earned a profit of 10,000. Now this year I have earned a profit of 20,000. So what is the analysis that I have made? The analysis is that my business is improving. This analysis I have made from the results. So same way in business, we have a lot of tools of analysis which you will be studying in class 12. So analysis and interpretation is done in accounting of the results which we have of the accounts which we make. Analysis and interpretation of the financial data are carried out so that the users of financial data can make a meaningful judgment of the profitability. They judge the profits. जितना प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए उतना ही हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है, या उससे कम हो गया है या उससे ज्यादा हो गया. लाइक वी जज आर मार्क्स. मैंने इतना हार्ड वर्क किया था, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट आई शुड हैव सिक्योर्ड दिस मच मार्क्स, बट माय मार्क्स आर ओनली दिस मच. Then you take your answer sheet to the teacher. I have written this much. This is 15 inches of length, and still you have given me 2 marks out of 6. Right? This is what we do. We make a judgment. We have written such a long answer, then why the teacher has given me only 2 marks. So you analyze it. In the same way, what we do in accounts is, in accounts, whatever the final accounts we have made is, we make a judgment out of that. This helps in planning for the future in a better way. So we get to know that this year our profits are less. So next year, what should we do so that our profits increase? Then the seventh feature is communicating. Communicating is whatever data we have recorded, we will communicate it to the users. Those users can be internal users of the organization. Those users can be outsiders as well. Internal users are management, the owner who is using the account, who wants to know that how much profits I have earned or I have incurred losses or what is my financial position. Then the users outside the business are government. Government is very much interested in the accounts of our business. Why? Because government takes tax from us, that you are earning this much, you are using roadways, you are using transportation system. This is all government has built for you. That is why you are able to run your business smoothly. So you need to give us income tax. Whatever income you are earning, that this much percentage you will be giving us as tax. So government is interested in our accounts. We need to show our accounts to government, and customers are interested in our accounts. For example, I want to purchase shares of a company. The company who is in profits, which is in profit from many years, I will purchase the shares of that company only. So customers and investors, and not customers, here we will be using the word investors. Investors are interested in the accounts of the business. Customers are also interested in the accounts of the business, and the money lenders and the creditors, the people who have given us loan, they are always interested in our accounts. If suppose someone is asking me for a loan, I will check the financial position of his business, that he earns profit every year, so he will be returning my money on time. So I will be giving him loan. Otherwise, if I will just go through his accounts and find out that he is in losses for the past 3 4 years, so he will never be returning my money if he will be taking loan from me. So I will not be giving him loan. And then there are researchers who are doing research. All these people are interested in the accounts of the business. So we communicate the accounting information, which we have made the financial data, we show to them so that they can make appropriate decisions at the right time. Now these were all the features of accounting. Features of accounting is clear to everyone. Features of accounting are clear. Any confusion in today's classwork?
Excuse
What
me,
you?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in accounting, there is no role of the amount, matlab, quantity of the product. Like if a person wants to know how much product he sell or how much he bought, like that a salesman wants to know. So who will manage that?
Quantity is very much important. It is very important. For example, suppose I have purchased raw material, I have purchased 5 kgs raw material, and the price of 1 kg is 1000. So, while making the accounts, what will I enter in purchases? To purchases account, what will I write? 5 kg into 1000 rupees. That is 5000 rupees. We are recording everything in rupees, but those rupees, from where we are converting, from where we are getting that rupees amount, we are getting that rupees amount from the quantity only. We want to know the sales, that how much you have sold. For example, I will ask my salesperson how many items you have sold today, and